Hey there, Healthy Secrets family. You've probably heard all the buzz about intermittent fasting, but what's the truth behind it? Today, we're diving deep into what doctors are now saying about intermittent fasting, and it's not just about weight loss. Let's get started. Is intermittent fasting just a trend, or does it have real health benefits? From improved brain function to fighting chronic diseases, doctors are uncovering new findings that might just surprise you. Stick around to find out if intermittent fasting is right for you. First, let's break down what intermittent fasting actually is. It's not a diet, it's a pattern of eating where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. The most popular methods are 16:8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and 5:2, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2 days. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. During fasting periods, your body goes into a fat-burning state, which has been shown to improve metabolic health. Now, let's talk about the benefits. According to leading doctors and researchers, intermittent fasting has been linked to some incredible health improvements. One of the biggest benefits? Fasting helps your body tap into stored fat for energy. This not only helps with weight loss but also lowers insulin levels, which can reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes. Doctors are also excited about how fasting can boost brain health. Studies show that intermittent fasting can increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which helps protect against diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Plus, fasting triggers autophagy, a process where your body clears out damaged cells and regenerates new, healthier ones. This could help slow down aging and protect against chronic illnesses like heart disease and cancer. Doctors used to be skeptical about intermittent fasting, but now they're starting to recognize its broader health benefits. Dr. Jason Fung, a nephrologist and expert on intermittent fasting, believes that fasting can significantly improve metabolic health and help treat insulin resistance. Dr. Walter Longo, a biogerontologist, says fasting not only helps with weight loss but can also slow down the aging process and promote longevity. However, doctors also emphasize that fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. People with certain medical conditions, like diabetes, or those who are pregnant, should consult their healthcare provider before starting intermittent fasting. Let's clear up a few common myths. One big misconception is that intermittent fasting slows down your metabolism. But studies actually show that short-term fasting can boost your metabolism by increasing norepinephrine, a hormone that helps burn fat. Another myth? That fasting will make you lose muscle. While it's true that you lose muscle if you don't consume enough protein, intermittent fasting itself doesn't cause muscle loss, especially if you maintain a healthy diet and include exercise. Ready to try intermittent fasting? Here's how to get started safely. First, ease into it. Start with a 12-hour fast overnight and gradually increase to a 16-hour fast. Drink plenty of water and non-caloric beverages like tea or black coffee to stay hydrated. When it's time to eat, focus on nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to keep your energy levels stable. And remember, listen to your body. If you feel dizzy or overly fatigued, it's okay to break your fast. Now, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. Doctors advise that if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have a history of eating disorders, or take certain medications, fasting may not be the best option for you. Always consult with a healthcare provider to see if it's right for your individual needs. So, is intermittent fasting just another health trend? Based on the latest research, doctors now agree that fasting can provide real health benefits, from weight loss to better brain function. But like any health plan, it's important to approach it carefully and make sure it works for your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed health tips right here on Healthy Secrets. Leave a comment below if you've tried intermittent fasting and what your experience has been. See you in the next one, and stay healthy.